Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write an affidavit letter. An affidavit is a crucial legal document, a sworn written statement of fact used as evidence in various legal proceedings. The person making this statement is known as the affiant. It is absolutely essential that the statement is made voluntarily and truthfully, as its validity hinges on honesty. Understanding its fundamental purpose is the first step in drafting an effective and legally sound affidavit. When drafting your affidavit, ensure you include the affiant's full legal name and complete contact information right at the beginning. Present the factual information clearly in numbered paragraphs, making it easy to follow. Always use clear, concise, and objective language, avoiding any emotional or subjective statements. If you have supporting evidence, attach these as exhibits. Finally, remember to include a jurat, which is the sworn statement by the notary public. To ensure your affidavit is professional and effective, maintain a formal tone throughout, steering clear of legal jargon where possible. Double-check for absolute accuracy and consistency in all the details you provide. Thoroughly proofread the entire document to eliminate any grammatical errors or spelling mistakes. A professional appearance with clear headings and a legible font is also important. Remember, the document must be signed in the presence of a notary public. The final critical step is notarization. Your affidavit must be signed before a notary public or another authorized official. The notary's role is to verify your identity and witness your signature, ensuring authenticity. After witnessing, the notary will affix their official seal and signature to the document. Always keep at least one original copy for your personal records. Finally, submit the affidavit according to the specific legal requirements of your case, ensuring all deadlines are met.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.